Hello. In this video, we present FuzzySeek, an interactive video moment retrieval tool for the multimodal clarification of vague natural language queries. A person who wishes to learn more about CNNs but has limited prior knowledge can upload a CNN tutorial video and ask a broad question, such as, show me the various layers present in a CNN. This query triggers the imprecision detector to scan the input for potential imprecisions or vagueness present in the query. In this case, the term various layers is deemed vague because the CNN contains many layers and the user might be referring to a specific one. Clicking on the vague term prompts a proactive clarification recommender to provide recommendations across the three modalities, but as the question was conceptual, the system decides to return text-based clarifications to resolve the imprecision. It presents the various layers discussed in the video, including the convolutional layer, pooling layer, activation layer, and the fully connected layers, and the residual connections featured in the ResNet architecture. If the user is familiar with the grid structure in the CNN and wishes to examine whether there are any grid-like structures in a specific layer, they can perform a blended multimodal text query to improve expressivity. This involves adding their own artifact by drawing a grid using the annotation panel. The hand-drawn sketch, which is an image-based artifact, can then be blended with the textual query. By dragging and dropping their sketch and combining it with a textual concept convolutional layer from earlier, the user refines the query to specifically target scenes where grids are used in the context of convolutional layers. This blended query prompts the multimodal and video processor to locate the precise scene that best meets the user's needs. The system retrieves the scene where the convolution operation is explained. If the user subsequently wishes to focus on other layers, they can utilize the query flow history panel to reinstate the former chat context. This allows user to move back and forth between different information retrieval modes, such as from plain exploration to direct specification based search and vice versa. The system then retrieves the scene in the tutorial where the pooling layers are discussed. FuzzySeek is video agnostic and can work on different video types. This is a house tour video and the query provided to the users in the user study. The visual query of finding patterns in the house triggered proactive clarification, which analyzed all three modalities but returned image-based recommendations. Blending the blue tiles, stained lamp, or decorative plates into the query from recommendations showcases the corresponding scenes from the house. Our results showcased FuzzySeek was better rated than the baseline, was cognitively easier to use, provided efficient clarifications, and let users perform targeted exploration with better expressivity avenues. We performed a technical evaluation and provide 10 use cases to demonstrate the depth and breadth of how FuzzySeek can accommodate diverse user needs, various query types, imprecision scenarios, and modality usages. We also discuss the results from both the comparative and the qualitative user studies. Please see our paper for more details. Thank you.